Disagreements between a client and attorney are inevitable, and when those disagreements arise, it's important to know who has the authority to make the final decision. The 1993 case of Red Dog v. Delaware sets forth the basic rules for allocation of authority between client and attorney. James Allen Red Dog pleaded no contest to charges of murder, rape, and kidnapping. The trial court then sentenced him to death. After receiving his sentence, Red Dog repeatedly and consistently maintained that he didn't want an appeal or stay of execution, and the public defender who had represented Red Dog since the charges were filed never expressed doubts about his competency. But 1 week before the scheduled execution date, 2 other attorneys from the public defender's office, who had very little interaction with Red Dog, filed a motion to stay the execution, citing competency concerns. Upon learning about the motion, Red Dog wrote to the court reiterating his desire to accept the death penalty. The trial court denied the stay, and the attorneys filed an appeal. The Delaware Supreme Court affirmed the trial court's decision and ordered the attorneys to show cause for why they shouldn't receive sanctions for going against Red Dog's directive. The attorneys filed a response, contending that their actions fell within the limits of the rules of professional responsibility and were justified by the urgency that comes with representing a client who's sentenced to death. The Delaware Supreme Court took their response under advisement.